welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to be making some wonton soup. Do you like wonton soup? Well, if you do, stick around and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, for the wonton soup you are going to need wonton wrappers, and I bought 2 of these, and this is what they look like. I bought 2 because I am making a big batch of soup. You're going to need some soy sauce. You're going to need some sesame oil, and this is the 100% pure sesame oil. You're going to need some cornstarch and some chicken broth. I just bought this Campbell's no salt chicken broth, and I bought 2 of them. You're going to need some fresh ginger, some fresh garlic, green onions, and then you're going to need some lean ground pork, about 8 ounces. So in a deep bowl, I've added my ground pork. I'm now going to add my 2 green onions, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger shredded, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch. Now what I like to do is I just like to use my hands to mix it all together. Combine all the ingredients and make sure they're well mixed together. Just grab a pan and take some parchment paper and just place it on your pan, because this is where we're going to be putting our wontons. Another way you can fold your wonton is by keeping it square. Make sure you dampen the edges and just basically fold it in half in a square. Press down firmly, and then just take the edges and it looks like a nurse's cap. How cute is that? Dip it in the flour, just the bottom, and place it on your tray. Now for the broth, you're going to be using a nice big pot, and you're going to add 8 cups of your chicken broth. Then you're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of your sesame oil, you're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, 2 slices of ginger, fresh ginger, cut in about 1/4 inch thick, and 2 green onions sliced. And then what you want to do is you want to bring your broth to a boil and then let it simmer for 10 minutes. And then once that's done, you can discard the onions and the garlic and the ginger from your broth before you add in your wontons. Okay, so now once your broth has boiled and you've reduced it to a simmer, bring it back up to a boil again, and you can add your wontons to it. You can add your wontons to a separate pot of boiling water and then add the soup to it later, or you could do it this way. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. They'll rise to the top. I've added some bok choy to my soup just because I love bok choy, and it gives the soup a very nice color as well. So there you have it, guys, a beautiful hot and delicious wonton soup. Have a look. Doesn't that look delicious? I can't wait to dig in. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video today on making wonton soup. I hope you give it a try. It's delicious. Anyways, I hope everyone has a great day, and please leave me a comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.